guys, it's your girl Optimistic Lady Boss and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to discuss 3 business models that you can implement to sell your product online. So if you remember in my last video, I discussed about 3 ways that you can make money. I mean the ways that I would recommend to anybody, especially startups, how to make money online. I discussed it on my last video, so if you haven't seen that video yet, you should go back and watch that video because all my videos are gonna be step by step, like continuation from last one. So if you missed watching that, please go back and watch it. It's not very long, it's just 5 minutes and 23 seconds, so it's really short video, and I'm trying as much as I can to make all my videos short so you don't get bored while watching my videos. And before I start, I would like to plead with you, if you like my content, kindly hit the like button and comment your opinion in the comment section. I reply to all comments. And then also, if you don't like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs down and give me the reason you don't like my content. And to support my work, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because this will motivate me to do more in the near future. So like I mentioned earlier, today's topic is about 3 business models that you can implement to sell product online. The first one is called dropshipping. Most of you are familiar with the word dropshipping, but you really don't understand how it works. So in this video, I'm going to explain it clearly for you. So how dropshipping works is you see someone's product that they are selling and you start advertising that product. This is what dropshipping is all about. So you advertise the product in whichever channel that you want. If you want to advertise on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, status, wherever you want to advertise this product, you just advertise it. Even in person, you can advertise it. And when someone places order for this product, that is when you now place order for the product from the main seller, and then you send it to the person that bought it. Mind you, in this business model, you are not working for the brand. You are independently on your own. So you just advertise the product, take maybe their photos and their videos, advertise it, and when someone places order under you, you just order from them because maybe their price is like $5. You can advertise this product for $10, and when someone purchases from you, you use that money to purchase from the other person. So the profit of $5 belongs to you. In this kind of business model, people use 2 ways to promote this product. It's either you use organic or you use paid ad. So organic ad refers to when you organically advertise the product, like on your Instagram page or your Facebook page, or you go and promote it in other groups that you are in on Facebook, or you send DM to people. But this one, you're not paying any money to advertise it. You just put in your own hard work to advertise this product. This is organic way of marketing the product. And then if you're gonna do paid advertising on Instagram, you see where they put promote, right? So you're gonna click there, but that one requires some techniques that you need to use to promote this product and then to reach wider range of customers who will see this product and buy it. And this is what a lot of young people online are doing to make money. They advertise this product. Most of them, they go to AliExpress, they see a product for like $5, they advertise it for $15, and when you buy from them, they just purchase the product from AliExpress seller and send it to you directly. So you don't require any stock. You don't have to buy any stock and keep it. No, you don't have to stock any of this product. The only thing you need for this kind of business model is your phone, because you don't necessarily need a laptop. Your phone and access to internet. Those are the 2 things you need, and you are good to go. The rest has to do with your hard work, because the more you promote this product, the more customers you get, then the more order you're going to place from the seller and then send it to the buyer, then you keep the profit to yourself. That's how dropshipping works, and a lot of youngsters there are doing it. They are making a lot of money out of it. The second business model that I'm going to discuss today is called wholesale. When I say wholesale, it does not mean you are selling the product at wholesale price. This business model refers to where you see a product that is selling, that you like, that you think this product, if I sell it, I will make profit from it. Now you contact the manufacturer, mostly in China, and tell them you need this product at wholesale price. Now you need money to purchase this product, because when you say you need it at wholesale price, it's totally different from the AliExpress one where you do drop shipping and buy product and send it, because AliExpress is retail, so you're going to buy it at retail price at AliExpress and send it to your customer. But in this wholesale, it's much cheaper to get the product, but then they will give you an MOQ. So when I say MOQ, I'm referring to minimum order quantity. So in this wholesale business model, the supplier might tell you have to buy 100 pieces minimum. That's how wholesale works. So now maybe the product that you're buying at AliExpress is $5. In wholesale, you will see it for $2. Okay, but then you have to buy 100 pieces, so $2 multiplied by 100 gives you $200, and then you also pay for the shipping cost. So you calculate this and then they send it to you. Mind you, this product will be in the logo and packaging of that supplier, not yours. So at the end of the day, you are selling this product to make profit, but you are advertising this supplier's product and brand. Okay, and some people, they might check out your page, see this product logo, and then they go ahead and start looking for where else to get it at cheaper rate. Other than that, there is no problem with that, because you just need a little bit of money. Okay, like what I just said now, $200 for 100 pieces of a particular product that sells for $2, and then maybe the shipping cost will be like $100, right? So like $300 you already, so between $300 to $500 you can start selling products online using the wholesale business model. And then the last one that I'm going to talk about is called private labeling. This is what most of those big brands you see out there are doing, including myself, even though I'm not a big brand yet. But this is the business model that I chose, because I am not just coming to sell product. I want to build a brand. I private label the product to my own brand name. In this business model, you look for supplier who will give you this product. So this needs a lot more work than wholesale business model, you see. So that's why I said initially that these business models, how they work, it starts from beginner, intermediate, and top level. So this is the top level model that a lot of big brands they are using. And also, if you want to build a brand for yourself, it does not necessarily require you to be multi-millionaire before you can do it. Me myself, I'm doing it and it's working for me. So you look for this product, do your research about the product, try to find out things about it, and once you see that the product is going to sell, because remember, you are going to order huge quantity, because this is private labeling. When they say private labeling, you are making the product to your brand name. You're going to have your brand name and your brand logo on this product packaging. So you're not selling any other person's product, but your own product and your own brand. So how you do it, you contact the supplier, ask them to give you more details about this product, how does it work, what's the MOQ, because as opposed to the wholesale business model whereby you can see a supplier tell you, oh, you buy 100 pieces. In this private labeling business model, you will not see any supplier that will sell 100 pieces to you. Most of them, the minimum they're going to sell to you is 1,000 pieces. So if this product is $2, they will ask you to buy like 1,000 pieces. And again, you're going to pay separately for the logo and the packaging. So it depends on what level are you in. And then also, in most cases, your capital is a huge determinant in this kind of situation, because if you have like $2,000 that you want to invest into a business, then I'll tell you there is no need going for drop shipping or wholesaler. Just go straight to private labeling, because with that you're going to build your brand from scratch, and this will help you in the near future. Trust me, you're going to build a name for yourself. People will recognize you. You distinguish yourself from other sellers out there who are selling same product as you. So when someone see your logo, they'll be like, oh, this logo is coming from this person. For example, you see Kim Kardashian's logo, you know, oh, this is coming from Kim. Kim actually private label those products to her brand name. Now you've seen this video, and if you've been wondering what business model can you implement to sell products online, those are the 3 business models that anybody you see online are implementing to sell their product. So I hope this video is helpful to you, and if you like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I'll be so much happy about that. Drop your comment below, because I do reply to comments, and if you have any opinion or suggestion, kindly drop it there. Also, critics are welcome, because this will help me to improve in my next content creation. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.